Perfect heat management. Who's not familiar with this situation? You toss and turn throughout the night to get more comfortable, fighting with your covers and pillows because you're too hot or too cold. It doesn't have to be this way. Bedding products containing Outlast Technology provide a more restful night of sleep. Contrary to traditional products, Outlast bedding dynamically manages temperature and humidity for a more restful night of sleep. Outlast Technology is a heat and moisture management technology that enhances products by providing the benefit of proactive heat management. Originally developed for NASA, Outlast Technology utilizes phase change materials to maintain optimal thermal comfort. A balanced temperature is achieved by absorbing and storing heat when it's too warm to reduce overheating and perspiration. Here's the evidence. At Outlast, we test all of our products to ensure they provide the temperature benefits we promise. Through the DSC machine, we can easily show the difference between a fabric that can absorb excess heat and release it back to a fabric that has no temperature benefits at all. First, a sample of the product is punched out for testing. This sample must be weighed exactly before it is transferred inside the testing chamber of the DSC device. This sample is then automatically transported to the temperature unit, where a computerized heating and cooling procedure is executed.
The significant peak demonstrates clearly that the Outlast sample shows a melting phase. We can exactly see in which temperature range this melting phase takes place. The area under the curve shows the heat capacity which the fabric can absorb and release to influence the human's microclimate positively. A fabric without Outlast technology only shows a flat line without any peak. Therefore, the DSC test is an ideal possibility for us to test and ensure the high quality of our products. We also work a lot with the test system THG Sleep View, which demonstrates colorfully that Outlast materials can significantly reduce moisture.
With THG Sleep View, it is possible to visualize the actual development of temperature and humidity between a person and their comforter. Unique for this product, we have the ability to visualize hidden layers. As the data sensors of the measuring system are very tiny, they can be directly built inside the microclimate to measure the air between the skin and the comforter.
THG Sleep View technology offers insight into human perspiration activity. The live measured microclimate beneath a comforter demonstrates that heat accumulation leads to increased humidity buildups. The humidity development over a night based on the average value of 45 Sleep View sensors illustrates that the human perspires dynamically to counteract against excessive heat. This can quickly lead to hot and humid conditions beneath the insulating comforter, comparable to tropic climate. The metabolism is stressed, which can result in disturbed sleep. However, does the human receive support in his thermoregulation, for instance through climate balancing bedding, his perspiration can be reduced. In result, the night becomes more quiet and relaxing.
Outlast helps to improve the quality of your life through better, more refreshing sleep.